Hey guys, in this video today, I'm going to walk you through how you can 10x your ad creative output just within a couple of seconds. We're going to show you how to use Google's new AI, NanoBanana. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to upload a base product. We're then going to get other variants and we're going to change the colors. I'm going to show you the whole process. I'm also going to walk you through how we find winning ads too and the platform that we use for that as well. So again, you're leveraging the highest quality ad, and then from there you're recreating multiple different variants. So there's no need for graphic designers. Again, it's much cheaper. From there, you're going to be able to test these variants at scale really quickly, and again, get the best results for your brand. So I'm going to hop over to the Figma board now and we can go through it. If you have any questions, just let us know. But as I always say, the link to free school community is in the description of the video. All of the resources you can download from there. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so the next thing that you need to do here is you need to go over to gemini.google.com and then you'll be brought to this once you log in. It's free to log in and this is the free plan, so you'll be able to see the output that we get here is really high quality. Again, the paid plan is only about $20 a month. When you log in here, you'll be able to see create image down bottom left with the little banana icon, and you'll have to click that. Now it knows that you actually want to create an image. Now, the next thing we want to do here is we want to go over to the platform that we use to find winning ads. So we've got multiple different swipe files of this that we use within our agency to find the longest winning ads, the winning ads within some huge brands or even competitors within the industry. So the main thing here is what we're going to use is we're going to use the wallet from Extra. Huge brand, great brand, do a lot of creative output. And how do we find the winning ads from here? Well, first of all, we put the name of their brand in, then that'll show all of their libraries of all of their ads. And from here, what we want to click is the longest running. So as you can see here on the left-hand side, we're going to use this ad here, the Tesla of wallets. It has a multiple different features and USPs and benefits on the actual ad. And you can see here that the ad is being running for 517 days. On the right hand side here, you can see everything about it, when it was ran from. So 1st of February 2024 all the way to July 2025. You can see the copy of the ad. Again, it's really good. And you can see the AI analysis here too. So the esteem, the authority, the security, all of the different AI analysis points and benefits and features on that. So again, really good to do the competitor research and find out what the actual longest running ads and the best running ads are. But the main thing for this video here is that we want to show multiple different variants from this, okay, just within a couple of seconds. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this over and we're going to bring it over to NanoBanana. From here, we're going to put this into and just copy and paste it. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to upload the image of another variant. I'll also show you on the product page now in a second. Okay, so you can see here, we're after just pulling a red variant. So again, the goal here is that we're going to recreate that image with the red product. So people have different preferences, they have different tastes of color, and you can see here for when we go onto the product page, there's multiple different variations of color. So you can see there's yellow, brown, silver, all like 11 or 12 different variations, and that's for the set for each product. So again, the goal here is that we're going to create an image before and after that we can use within a couple of seconds on the product page in the ad graphics. And again, just takes a couple of seconds. There's no need for a graphic designer in this case, and you can really show the same benefits. Now I've implemented the prompt. Again, it's a fairly basic prompt and it's fairly self-explanatory. So what I've said is use the first image as the base image, replace the silver wallet with the red wallet in the second image. Make sure to have the two silver wallets as their color red. Again, if you don't add in that last line, it might just make one red wallet. So we want to make sure that it's the exact same image and it shows their red wallets. So I'm going to hit enter now and let's see what we get. Again, the really good thing about Google's AI and the NanoBanana is that it just takes a couple of seconds. And literally, as it's saying there, just a second, it is that. So you'll see now, once it's generated, we'll be able to continue and hopefully it shows the exact image that we want. So as you can see here, it's the exact image. The great thing about this is it pulls over exactly what you want. Look at that. Just in a couple of seconds, we've got a different variation with a different color. And again, You can roll this across all 10 to 12 product images, get them, and you can upload all of them at once and say, look, I want you to go through all of them, use the base image from all the other images that I've created, from the reds to the yellows, the silvers to the browns. Make sure to keep the exact same image, but just change the color. And then like that, bang, it's done just within a couple of seconds. Next example, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show a completely different variant from Exter, and then I'm going to show you the output after that, and I'll also share the prompt with you too. What we're going to do here is we're going to have a little bit of different example. We're going to test the system a little bit more, give a little bit more of a complex task on this one. So what we're going to use is more of a lifestyle image. We're going to use this brown wallet, and we're going to upload the yellow variant. We're going to try to get the yellow variant into this exact image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop over to Google NanoBanana again, and we're going to create a new chat, upload both of the images and a very short prompt. I have uploaded both of the images and uploaded a very simple prompt. The prompt we've used here is use the first image as the base image, so similar to the first example. Replace the brown wallet with the yellow wallet in the second image. I want the base image to be the exact same, but just with the wallet changed to the yellow color. So while this is generating the image, just want to mention, when you are creating a new variant, always click the new chat channel. The reason being is that sometimes it just gets a little bit confused if you're kind of going from one variant to another. So it's just a lot cleaner. And as you can see here, it's after creating exactly the image that we want. So again, just really, really powerful stuff here. You can see that there's 12 different variants within this product. Again, you can change 12 of these just within a couple of seconds. As I said, you can bulk upload them. So I'm just going to hop over to the Figma board, walk through some of the different examples. And again, as I said, all of these resources are available in our school community. The prompts are fairly easy on this one. But if you need any extra tips or some of the blueprints that we have, again, they are available there in the school community. So you can just hop over there and you can grab all of them. They're all free. The links are all free to access as well. So just before we finish up this video, just want to walk through the process so you kind of aren't confused the next time you go through this process yourself. So first of all, hop over to Google's Gemini. From there, you'll be able to use the NanoBanana. You just click the little one bottom left. When you're making a new variation, create a new chat so it doesn't get confused. And then also to create the new ads or find the new variations of top performing ads, using apps like Foreplay are always really good. So once you come into Foreplay, you'll just put the name of the brand up the top. You'll be able to click on the brand. It'll show you all of the active ads that they have. And then from there, the most logical thing really would be to pick the longest running ads. Then you can toggle it even to what's active now and what's not active. So again, you can see what's the longest active ad, and you'll be able to see what's working in their ad account, because look, they wouldn't be spending dollars on it if it wasn't working, especially big brands that are keeping a very close eye on these things too. So again, play around with all this stuff. You can download all this within our school community. You'll also have access to all of the different resources that we have and boards as well. They're all free there too. But again, it just has practice. The best bet here would be just to get a base product, upload the base product, then upload a different variant of it, add in the very simple prompt. Always make sure to say, look, keep the image the exact same. I don't want to change it, because sometimes it will kind of run with it and take the logos and put them down here. Yeah, just play around with it. Make sure to kind of put up some guardrails to it too. And when you're making different variations, create a new chat. That's just really important, because you'll end up going back and forward and trying to fix it and retweak, and it will just confuse itself. It's not good enough to get it completely right and understand exactly what you need. So you do need the guardrails. But again, as I said, if you have any questions, just join our school community. It's free, and look, it's fairly casual in there too, and we'll answer any of the questions. Hopefully you enjoyed that one. If you have any questions, do let us know. Leave a comment in the comments section within the video, and we can go from there. Cheers.